Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 using VMware. Manually installing Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 using VMware offers flexibility to customize the virtual environment to meet specific organizational needs. It also ensures a deeper understanding of the system's configuration, which aids in better maintenance and troubleshooting. Come on, let's dive right into today's video. The first step we want to do is go to nagios.com and grab the OVA file in order to install it on VMware. When on nagios.com, we can head to the top of the page, hover over Products, and then click on Nagios Network Analyzer. From here, we want to click on Get Started Free. If we scroll down, under VMware, we want to download this 64-bit OVA file. If we click Download Now, it'll pop up in our downloads in the top right. After that's downloaded, we can head over to VMware. When on VMware, we want to head to the top left corner, click on File, and then click on Open. From here, we want to click on the OVA file you just downloaded. Now we can name this virtual machine. For example, I'm going to be naming mine NNA for Nagios Network Analyzer Test Install. After you type it in, it chooses the storage path for you. But if you don't want this storage path, you're more than welcome to change it to whatever you need it to be. Now we can click Import. After your virtual machine is fully imported and you're able to power it on, we don't want to power it on just yet. We want to head over to Edit Virtual Machine Settings. And then we want to make sure our settings in here are fully correct. We want to meet the minimum requirements for the memory, the processor, and then the hard disk. The minimum requirements are 2 GB memory, 1 processor with 1 core, and then 40 GB of hard disk. After you've confirmed all these settings, we can press OK, and then now we can finally power on this machine. After the machine is powered on, we're going to want to log in with the default username and then the default password. We find both of these right under the banner where it says default root, which is the username, and then the password of Nagios NA. We can type this in. And now we are logged in as root. The second step is we want to open our favorite browser and/or browser of choice, and then use the URL with that IP address. Here we have some final installation steps. The first step is the license setup. Whether you're going to do a free 30-day trial, or if you already have a license, you can enter it here. Just for demo purposes, I will be doing the free 30-day trial. Beneath this, we have our admin account setup. The 4 required fields are the username, the password, confirming the password, and then an email address. This is for an administrative account. For demo purposes, I will be doing simple passwords, but I recommend doing a highly secure password. After this page is fully configured to your liking, we can click on Finish Installation. Using that username and password we just typed in, we can log in. We have officially installed Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2. And that's it. I hope everyone is able to get Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 installed. For any more support or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more tutorials and/or videos regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.